Welcome to 1329 East Market Street, a cozy and bright one-bedroom home right in the heart of Indianapolis near Eastside. This open living and dining area is perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Your private bedroom offers just the right amount of space to unwind after a busy day. The efficient kitchen comes ready for your daily cooking needs, making meal prep simple and convenient. Located in a charming historic building, this home includes utilities like gas, water, and sewer, plus shared laundry just steps away. Small dogs and cats are welcome here. City living made easy.